Hopsworks is designed to store large volumes of data and to process that data efficiently in parallel across many servers. So in the HEAP project, we're storing exposome data. Some of that is generated by machines. So you may have a sequencing machine generating omics data. You may have a mass spectrometer generating data. And this data tends to be very large in volume, and we can store it on the Hopsworks file system. For other types of data in the HEAP project, we'll have data relating to studies, clinical studies, and individuals participating in these studies. This is what we call tabular data. So one of the things that we've done in the HEAP project for Hopsworks is that the tabular data in particular, we have researchers who like to use the programming language R, not just Python. So we've been adding support for R and RStudio to the platform. We've been working on the security model in Hopsworks so that we can have clinical studies on a shared common cluster where the data is stored in such a way that users or researchers accessing the data cannot copy that data to other sources, they can't cross-link to other sources. They're really in this sandbox and ensuring the security of the data. And we're working with the CSC Institute in Finland. We're providing a very secure storage layer called ePODA to ensure this absolute security of the data. The best way to get started with Hopsworks is to go to hopsworks.ai and register for a free account. You'll get a time unlimited account. We're not going to take it away from you, with 25 gigabytes of storage, and you can get started today uploading data there. You can store your models there. You can even serve models from the platform, and it'll serve the data that you need to train your models from. You will need on Hopsworks AI, you'll need to bring your own compute, so you can use Colab or you could use serverless platforms like Modal. But it's a great way to experience how the platform is used to manage your data for AI.